welcome to computer class. Okay, now we are going to learn few more things about Windows 7. Okay, in the earlier chapter we have learned few things. In this chapter, in part 2, we will see what is taskbar, what is start button, and what are the different things on the start in the start menu, or what are the different things on the taskbar. All this we are going to see little bit somewhat in detail. And what about the picture folder? Okay, so before that we'll just quickly revise. Now Windows 7, this is an operating system, and operating system means what? All of you know that the system or the program which sees or which look after the working of a computer, that is called an operating system. And Windows got introduced in 1995, but in the course of time it got upgraded, and Windows 7 is the upgraded version. We have seen the features also. Now this Windows operating system got introduced by a company called Microsoft, and Bill Gates is the founder of this company. Now in Windows 7 we have seen different features, but along with these features, these are the additional things. That calculator is used to do calculations on the computer, and it gives the accurate and fast result. Then it comes the notepad application. Notepad application is a text editor. In that you can write the letter or the any application or the textual matter. Whereas sound recorder and a Windows media player, sound recorder is related with the sound. Different sounds you can record on the computer, or you can record your own voice also. So these are the upgraded softwares which are available under Windows 7. Even for Windows media player, you can listen audio as well as you can see video and audio, movies or any other CDs also very easily. Okay, now Windows media player we have learned in the last lesson, last class we have learned somewhat how to copy the CD on the computer and how to record or copy the songs from the computer to the CD. All this. Now for this we require Windows media player, this software. Now through this software we can copy the songs from the CD to the computer, or from the computer to the CD. And this procedure, see, whenever we want to copy the CD to your computer, it is called RIP. You can copy songs from your favorite music CD or DVD onto your computer with Windows media player. See, for that Windows media player, whenever you will open and after inserting the CD from where you want to copy songs to your computer, you will get two more options, that is RIP setting and actually start ripping the CD. These two options are shown here on the screen with the red arrow. Correct? Now, whenever you want to copy songs from your computer to the CD, it is called burning the CD. For this, you require a a CD which is having a blank CD, and that you have to insert in the CD drive. Then only you can copy the songs on your CD from the computer. Now this in the menu you will get on the screen, you will get the burn option on the top of the screen in the Windows media player software. Now in this chapter, remaining things we are going to learn, that is opening picture folder. Now what is this picture folder? On your computer, on every computer, this folder is given by the system itself. Whatever pictures are there, we can store it separately. Even by default the computer gives some pictures, or if you want to create different if you want to save different pictures, you can save it here separately. Okay, so how to open the picture folder? For that you can open the Windows Explorer screen, Through that also you can open, or in the search option you give picture folder, it will get open. Now whenever picture folder is getting open, we are able to see different pictures. Now how to see different pictures? See, on the left hand side it is shown picture folder which is open, and on the right hand side from that folder many pictures are shown and the scroll bar is given. So from here you can use the pictures for your other applications, or you can make another if you want to make another slideshow or another word file, you can make use of those pictures. Means you can copy those pictures on the CD also. Okay, so this is very important, and you can make your own folders also in the already having picture folder. Different pictures also you can store in that. Now apart from this, there are many silent features of Windows 7. That is, advancement in touch and speech. Means it recognizes the touch also and the speech also. Whereas handwriting recognition is also possible in Windows 7. Support for virtual hard disk, that is also possible. Now the next is support for additional file format. File formatting is improved. Improved performance on multi-core processors, means the processor capacity also increased, and improved boot performance. Boot performance means the starting of a computer is called booting, so that is also improved. These are the silent features. Some of those features we will see little bit in detail. Now touch screen. What is touch screen? You must have experienced these touch screens at many places. Okay, now see in these two pictures, the person want to explore some floor or some other ideas. He can touch the screen, he'll get the more information. Same way in the second picture also. Now what is touch screen? This we are going to learn. These screens are made up of multiple layers of glass and plastic coated with a conductor material like indium tin oxide or copper. This conductive material responds when contacted by another electrical conductor like your bare finger. We use this technology daily with our phones, computers, at ATM machines, or at any grocery store also. Okay, you must have experienced this. Now next one is this, the MP3 series, means the song series or the audio video series. It is the capacity of this MP3 series are huge. An MP3 CD is a compact disc with audio files in the MP3 format stored on it, music stored on it. Generally music or audios are stored on it. MP3 is songs are stored on it, music is stored on it. MP3 format is encoded in a compressed format and takes up a lot less storage space, means it requires very less storage space compared to other files. Okay, so more than 50 music CDs you can record on a MP3 CD. So the capacity is very huge. Then comes the next feature, that is MPEG 7. Okay, so first try to understand. The latest generation technology is the container format for multimedia content including video, audio, subtitles and still images. So it is a multimedia content description standard that addresses how humans expect to interact with computer system. Okay, the full form of MPEG is Moving Picture Coding Experts Group. MPEG 7 provides the world's richest set of audio-visual description. So this is little bit more advancement. The terms are technical. Only thing you remember that this facility is available in Windows 7, this operating system. So you can hear the songs, or you can see the visual perfectly properly, because of the description standard has improved. Okay. Now after that comes that is searching. You have to search many a time some information in the task in the computer files. Okay, what is searching? For that we want to find a word or a phrase or a sentence from the files, or sometimes we want to find the files or folders itself. So in Windows 7 this made easier, because searching means, sometimes search refer to seek the information, or it is a function or a process of finding letters, words, files, web pages and other data. Many operating systems, software programs and websites contain a search or find feature to locate data. Even Windows 7 provides a very powerful and flexible search facility that will help you to locate files very easily, quickly. Windows 7 indexing, it is doing indexing to search the file names and contents of your files, and also provides a range of other useful searching, sorting and filtering tools to find the important file when you required it. Means whenever you are giving any search option, that time you will get the file or folder very quickly displayed where exactly it is located, and going to means after clicking that location you can get the file, you can get the access to open the file. Correct. So this is more easier in Windows 7. In the search box you have to type, so you don't have to type there where it is located, which folder or what time it has created, nothing. Simply you have to type the name of the file or a folder or a word particularly, it will find out and it will show you the result. Now after that, see, in Windows 7 we have seen the desktop screen. On the desktop screen we have learned icons, correct. Then we have learned what is recycle bin, correct. Now the start button also we have seen, but a little bit more detail we will go for the taskbar. Now the taskbar is located at the bottom of the screen, correct. A small strip is there on the at the bottom of the screen, that is called taskbar. On this taskbar many icons are there. Now what these icons represent, what this icon shows. Now first is the start button. Now after start button, in some in Windows 7 in this operating system, immediately after the start button again some icons are there, that is called quick launch icons. Then it is in between, space is empty, because if many applications we are opening, that applications miniature, it will come on the taskbar. Then comes the notification area and the clock, where it is showing the time also and the date also. And after that also one more area is there, little bit a small rectangle, faded rectangle, can you see? That also we are going to learn. Okay, so here start button menu. Whenever you will click on the start button, it is divided into two different areas. The left side area is in white in color, is for software programs that you have installed on your computer, and the other side, which is of gray color, darker color, can you see? Right hand side, these are the shortcuts for locations on your computer. Okay, if you'll click on that directly, it will get open. You don't have to go to start button or a search option. Okay, now quick launch. Quick Launch Box is a section of the Microsoft Windows taskbar that enables a user to launch programs without having to locate them using the Start menu. The quick launch area is located next to the Start button. Okay, so different generally it is frequently which softwares we are using frequently, that is kept here. Now after that comes the notification area. Now what is notification area? This is a part on the taskbar that provides the temporary source for notifications and status. It is also called as system tray. It consists the miniature icons for easy access to system functions such as antivirus settings, printer, modem, sound control, battery status and more. Even the clock is also present after the notification area. Okay, and the upside arrow which is showing, that is to see more icons or hidden icons. All the icons cannot fit on the taskbar, so these are the hidden icons. If you want to see the more icons in the notification area, you have to click on the upside arrow. Now what is volume control? Volume control, this option is there in the notification area. If you want to increase the volume of your device, that facility is available. See, the icon for volume control is given this and you can increase and decrease the volume. Okay, now after that, see one more thing. On the taskbar, here on the screen it is shown with the red arrow. The last, on the right hand side, the last part of the taskbar which is not having any name there, that is called peak. Means what? Suppose you have opened many applications, and because of opening many applications, the desktop is at the back side. You cannot see the desktop. Suppose you want to see the desktop directly before closing all the applications or before minimizing all the applications. Simply bring your mouse pointer on this peak area, that is on the rightmost corner at the bottom of the screen, and if you will click all the applications, it will keep aside and it will give preference to show the desktop. Means all the applications will become transparent and you can see the desktop. Got this? So whenever you will do the practical or the activity, you have to try this. So that option is called peak after the date and time. Okay. Now clock, that is time and date. If you want to change the system date, see, computer is showing the accurate date and time, but by mistake suppose somebody has changed the date and time and you want to change it again, so this facility is available. So you can change the time and date according to your desire. So if you will click on this, you will get the clock also and you will get the calendar also, and according to your selection it will show the date and time, and the format for date and time also you can change through this. Okay. Now it comes the jump list. Now are you aware what is jump list? Now many a times this happens that we have opened so many documents, so many files, okay, continuously, which files we are using frequently, those files are getting listed in the jump list. Okay, now to get it, this is through taskbar we can see. For this we have to, now here on the screen, see, it is shown. See the taskbar. On the taskbar, the Internet Explorer is showing multiple windows there. In the miniature, in the minimum size, it is showing multiple windows. Means frequently many websites, means many Internet Explorer sites we have opened through Internet Explorer. So all this is getting recorded here in the vertical form, that is called a jump list. But always it will not get displayed. If you will click right button, right click, if you will do mouse right click on that Internet Explorer icon on the taskbar, you will get the list vertically. Okay, means in the drop down manner, you will get the list displayed. Now, watching Internet TV using Windows Media Center. This is the main advantage of Windows 7, or the main feature, you can say like that, because you can watch the television using your computer. Now, how? Watching Internet TV, movies and other videos content on your PC. Instead of TV, you can watch all that on your PC through, and it is very much easier with a cable connection. You can watch shows using Windows Media Player Center. This software is required. Okay, so all of you must have learned. Now with this we have come to an end of this lesson, this chapter. So in this chapter we have learned what is Windows 7, then about Bill Gates, who is the founder of the Microsoft company. Then we saw how to copy songs or audio files, video files from the CD to a computer, and from a computer to a CD, that is through Windows Media Player, this software. Then we saw what is picture folder. Then we saw some silent features of Windows 7, that is touch screen is there. Then watching Internet TV using Windows Media Center. Then so many other things. Touch screen is there, touch pad, or we have seen where at different places touch screen activity is done. That is through that is the advantage Windows 7 is providing us. Now after that we have seen what is the taskbar. The taskbar is improved and many facilities it is providing in the taskbar, like peak option is there, making the applications which are opened transparent and show the desktop. And then time and date also we can change through the clock option. Then volume control we can do. Then whether we can check the internet connections also, even that is available in the notification area. Search bar or the search option has improved. Very quickly you can get the result of the search files or folders option. Okay, all this we have learned. So all of you revise this, do proper studies for this, and whenever you will get the worksheet, try to solve the worksheet. By then, thank you.